This is our second day. Second day is the toughest. So we are climbing another 20 over kilometers. And this is much more steeper than yesterday. Try our best. Looks like the fog is coming in. So the horses are going this way, zigzag up. Can you see? All the way up. And we're climbing. These are the wild llama in their natural habitat. Okay, finally we reached 4,150 meters above sea level.
I can make it! On top.
Say 500 more. Wow. We started from all the way to the end. 2 more hours. We should be up there. We're at Salkantay Trek at 4,480 meters above sea level. Okay, we reached the peak. All these people are celebrating. We are also celebrating. We reached 4,630 meters above sea level. Yeah. It's the peak of Salkantay. Yeah. No.